Good morning. I'm Joel Toller.
And I'm Erin Russell.
And we're here this morning at 1843 Spring Mountain Court.
We wanted to do a walkthrough with you today to show you this beautiful contemporary remodel on St. Helena's west side. So please follow us. The contemporary design features of this home begin right here at the entry. As you walk up to the home, you're welcomed with a beautiful living wall with air plants and stag ferns and a gorgeous walnut door with Sun Valley hardware.
Also in the front area, we have a seating area with covered shades and a custom steel trellis.
Welcome, come on in.
This home was built in 1966 and completely redesigned with the help of Fischer Architects in 2018. With this open concept living and dining room area, the home features custom-built La Cantina windows, floor to ceiling, plus custom matching screens.
Surrounding the electric fireplace is Heath Ceramic tile out of Sausalito,
along with built-in cabinetry and drawers and shelving,
with excellent indoor-outdoor flow to the pool, spa, and garden.
And there's sliding barn doors to master suite and kitchen.
So through these cool barn doors, we have our lovely, airy, and bright master bedroom. We have the matching La Cantina doors that are framed with privacy screens that are electric, views out to your private courtyard, and an ensuite bathroom with a full shower and a dual vanity. Additional features include recessed lighting and hardwood floors that are finished in a black stain.
Now we're going to go take a look at the guest bedrooms on the west side of the house. Follow me. The first bedroom has a built-in office area, and it also has a double closet. In the guest bathroom, we have restoration hardware zinc wrapped double vanity and faucets, tub shower combination with custom surround glass, Heath Ceramic tile. Also on the west side is a second guest bedroom with large closet and double doors.
Our last stop in the house is this beautiful kitchen, which is designed perfectly for indoor-outdoor entertaining. The kitchen features contemporary gray cabinetry with restoration hardware, pulls, and finishes, a Wolf stainless steel 4-burner stove with these big doors that open out to your pool. It's the perfect flow to create meals, have people seated here at the bar, and going in and out of the pool. In true California style, this home has a beautiful 40-foot concrete pool. And my favorite part of the pool is this 15-foot beach step, which you could actually put a chaise lounge on if you wanted to be relaxing directly in the pool. It's also got an 8-person spa. The pool is 7 feet deep at the deep end with a continuous slope design. The entire property is surrounded by plantings of edible gardens, including a persimmon tree, an apple tree, tomatoes, lemons, limes, figs, and more.
So one of my favorite features about this property is the landscape design by David Bigham. He really did an incredible job with taking wood and steel and designing some unique features such as this custom water feature. Thank you so much for taking the time to tour with us at 1843 Spring Mountain Court.
Please give us a ring if you'd like to set a time to see it. We'd love to show it to you in person.